So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake switch on a 07 plate Citroen C4 Picasso. When pressing the brake pedal, sometimes we get the error of a handbrake fault, ABS braking system is faulty, and ESP traction control has been disabled. Handbrake still works, and when you switch the engine off and back on, the faults do clear. I got the parts I needed from Car Parts. It was part number 464545250. I ordered it online and got it for £19.82. Car Parts comes with the cable and the switch itself. Should be self-adjusting once it's in. Tools you need: 10mm socket, deep socket really. I just got it on an iron. Torx T20, just a little flathead screwdriver or something, just to get the little plastic rivets out, and maybe a light. Slide the seat all the way back. Let's see what we can see. So your brake switch is actually inside this plastic unit here. There's a bolt at the bottom and there's one above which we can't get to, so we've got to take this panel out. First thing you can do, remove the Torx bit in here on the side panel. I have taken this apart once already, so everything is loose. Try not to lose the screw. There you go. Next, 3 of these rivets, and they are up and underneath here, here and here. Put the light on, see if we can see more. There we go. These, just a little flathead screwdriver. You literally push in, pull out the centre piece, and they pop out. Last one, flathead screwdriver again. Next to the bonnet release, there's a big flat screw. Got to take that one out. As I said, I've already loosened everything off. And then pull the trail away. And the whole trim piece comes out. Usually with easy access to the box. This is where your 10mm socket comes in. There's one bolt under here. They're all loose, so there's one. Show you that one. One of those. And now the one at the top here, which you can't really see, but it is up there. There we go. So now everything's loose. The only thing you need to watch for is there's a cable attached to the side here. I'm not going to try and disconnect it. I'm just going to bend everything and move it out the way. This black box slides off, which I'll do now. And put it to one side. Rather than removing it fully, your brake switch is just there. Let's try not to get crushed by the door. So now, just put your hand in, twist it 90 degrees anti-clockwise, and the switch pops out. Unplug it, pushing the little button in. See, there's quite a bit of slack. I don't know if that's just because this is a right-hand drive. Left-hand drive might be a bit tighter. and then this plumbs in. So that's the link cable. Now I have read online that you're meant to line these two switches up to the same length. I've also heard that if you put it in, it's auto adjusting, so when you push the pedal down, it will click into the right place. So I'm going to go with that idea for now. I got the part for 20 quid. Should be alright. So we're going to plug that one in. And then we're going to find the hole. As my torch has rolled over. Just there. Plug him in and turn 90 degrees. Bit of a fiddle. Maybe get the way up. Do you hear him click when I pushed him in? That's it, self-adjusting. I hope. And turn to lock. He's locked in. That's a case of tidying up the cables. Looks like they've got a little metal clamp on here anyway to hook him on somewhere. I'll find out now. And then it's just a case of reassembling. Once all back together, we'll test the brake pedal. Okay, now we're in. It's going to be the first start. I'm just going to press the brake pedal and see. You can actually hear it moving down there. Right, start her up. Remember to close the bonnet, because you would have popped the bonnet when you took the screw off down there. Currently got no warnings. I'm going to press the brake pedal. It's working. Obviously get somebody to check that your brake lights are working. I'm pretty sure they are. And hopefully that's fixed all our issues.